Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we will be seeing list in Python. Okay, what are lists? We know arrays. Okay, arrays is a collection of elements of same data type. But here in list we can have elements of multiple data types. As I have given here example, one is a number, one is a string, another is a fractional number. So you can have elements of multiple data types. Now, what is list? It's a ordered collection of elements. As in arrays we have seen, all the elements are arranged in a order, okay, with index numbers. Even in list, the index number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, okay, and the elements are stored in adjacent memory locations. Next, the list is mutable. What is the meaning of mutable? We can change the list at any moment of time, okay. Suppose I want to change the element of index 1, okay, so I can simply write here L of 1 equals to, I don't want ABC at that place. Suppose I want some XYZ at this place, so I can change the element of any index. Next, duplicates are allowed in list. So here I have taken one example. In this 3 is coming twice. So duplicate elements are allowed in the list. Now I'll show you how to write list. Take just name of the list equals to, in square brackets, just mention what all elements are there of list. Then complete the square bracket. Now here I have taken example of elements of different data types. Next, this example I gave you to change the value of specific index, and if suppose in Python you want to display any of the element or access any of the element, you can access as L is the name of list. In square brackets, just mention the index, and remember the index starts with 0. So if you are accessing L of 1, which element you are going to access is ABC. Now, suppose I want to add one more element to the list. So how to do that? L equals to L plus, just mention the name of the element, okay. So this list will become now 12 ABC 5.6 and BCD. Now I have tell you functions. We'll start with functions now. These all are the functions that operate on lists. First is append, okay. Append means the same we have done over here. We'll do it with the help of append function. What to do? L dot append, as it's a function and this is a list. So whichever list you have, you want to append the member, you simply have to mention the list name, append, then the element which you want to append in the list, and that element will be added to the last index of the list. Then next is clear, okay. This is the syntax of clear. L, that is list name, dot clear will clear the list contents. Now your list is empty. Next is reverse. If suppose you want to reverse the contents of the list, that is, if suppose this is the list and you want to reverse it in the reverse manner, you have to simply call it like L dot reverse. Now the contents of the list will be 3, 3, 4, 9, 8 and 5, okay. Got it. So this is reversing of the list. Now next is copy. If you want to copy contents of one list to another list, we are using copy function. How to write copy function? L2 equals to, this is the list from which we are copying and this is the list in which we are copying. L2 equals to L dot copy. So this will copy the contents of L into L2, and to see the contents of L2, simply write L2, shift enter. It will display the contents of L2. Now what are the contents of L2? If you are referring to this list, it will display this one because we have already reversed the list. Now next is deleting specific member of the list. How to delete specific member of the list? del, then list and specific index you have to mention over there. So I want to delete the member at index 1. So I'll write here L of 1. Now in case suppose you want to delete full list, we have clear option and one more option is there, delete. So if I write DELL, it will delete the full list and it will not exist. Clear means the list is existing but the contents are clear. But deleting the list is the list will no more exist in the system. So if you try to display the contents of list, it won't say anything because the list is not existing over there. So hope you understood list in Python. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.